Hello all, this is the second episode of Free Basic course. In the introductory video, we have discussed how the system of Free Basic course is going to work. In this video, we will be directly entering to our syllabus. I hope you will be knowing that in UGC NTA NET Paper 1 syllabus, there are mainly 10 topics. Today, we are going to start our discussion of people, development and environment. Remember, it's very important to be thorough with the syllabus in any competitive exam, especially in NTA NET Paper 1 with regards to the environment topic. Because I hope you will be knowing that environment is a very vast syllabus. Even UGC itself have a subject to environmental science. So since it's a very vast syllabus, if you search something randomly in the Google or if you go for a book on environment, you will get a lot of books and a lot of facts. But you don't have that much time to study because as per paper 1 syllabus, environment is only one among the 10 topics, which means normally there will be 5 questions. So you can't spend a very large amount of your time in your environment preparation. So let's look what are the subtopics coming under environment and which are the areas you have to focus while your preparation with regards to environment. As per our syllabus, there are 7 major topics or there are 7 categories of topics coming under people, development and environment. The first topic is development and environment. Under that, they have specifically mentioned the concept of Millennium Development Goals and Sustainable Development Goals. I hope you will be knowing what is MDG and SDG. We will be discussing those in details in the upcoming videos. So simply, Millennium Development Goals are a set of 8 goals that has to be achieved by all UN member countries by the year 2015. Sustainable Development Goals are again a set of goals that has to be followed by all United Nations countries or UN countries. But when it comes to Millennium Development Goals, you have 8 goals. But when it comes to Sustainable Development Goals, you have around 17 goals. And the target year is 2030. So these are the 2 topics which are coming under development and environment. You have to study all the goals. It's a very important. We'll be discussing about those in the upcoming videos. The second subtopic coming under environment is anthropogenic inferences on environment. Okay, or it's more simply different human activities that will be having an impact on the environment. They're asking about that. For example, we can say deforestation, cutting of trees, which have a lot of impacts, harmful impacts or adverse impacts on the environment. Very simply, you can say global warming. Global warming is an impact of deforestation and many other factors are also there like greenhouse gases and many other things. So then you have the ozone hole depletion due to the release of chlorofluorocarbon etc., which has been resolved to a great extent. The third subtopic coming under environment is environmental issues. As per the syllabus, it have specifically categorized environmental issues into different types. There are local issues, there are regional issues, there are global issues. Local issues we can say, for example, pollution in a particular pond. They have specifically categorized the types of environmental issues in local, regional and global. Previously they have asked question also regarding which among the following are local environmental issues or regional environmental issues. And there are many other categories also coming under environmental issues as per the syllabus. You have the air pollution. Under air pollution, you have to study about different air pollutants, the primary air pollutants, secondary air pollutants, and also you have to study about the permitted pollutant level, national ambient air quality standards. Then you have different diseases that are usually spread through air. After air pollution, we have water pollution, the point sources of water pollution, non-point sources, and other aspects related to water pollution, especially the diseases that are usually spread through water pollution. After that, you have the sound pollution. The allowed level of sound has been asked in the recent exam also in different areas like the rural area, the urban area, school area, residential area, etc. Okay, so after that we have other types of pollutions also. You have the soil pollution, we have the thermal pollution, etc. So you have to study all types of pollutions also. Along with the local, regional and global issues as well as pollution, other important environmental issue is with regards to the waste materials, especially the dispersal of waste materials. Okay, like there may be nuclear waste, there may be plastic waste, there may be electronic waste. Such type of things were also included in our syllabus. If you are yet to see the UGC NTA NET paper 1 syllabus, you can just go to the YouTube description of this video. We will be putting the link of the syllabus, in which you can exactly see what are the different subtopics coming under the 10 major topics of NTA NET paper 1 syllabus. So the fourth one is impact of pollutants on human health, which means different types of diseases or which different types of harmful impacts that will be caused due to pollution. For example, you have the Itai disease, you have the blue baby syndrome, you have the skeletal fluorosis, you have the Minamata disease. So there are different type of diseases that are usually caused due to the widespread pollution, especially the water pollution. So this has been specifically pointed out in the syllabus, that is impact of pollutants on human health. The fifth subtopic in environment syllabus is natural and energy resources. Under this topic, we have different types of energy resources, especially renewable energy resources. We have to study about hydro energy, solar energy, soil energy or geothermal energy. We have the tidal energy, wind energy, nuclear, etc. So different types of energy has to be studied as a part of the fifth subtopic of our environment syllabus. The sixth topic is natural disasters and hazards mitigation strategies. We have to study about different types of natural hazards, especially earthquake, floods, volcanic eruption, etc. So we have to study, we have to give special priority for mitigation strategies, or those steps that has to be followed by us so as to reduce the harmful impact of those hazards. So hazards and disasters mitigation strategies. The final topic is global environmental efforts. We have different type of global environmental efforts as well as efforts from the side of the central government. You have to study about Environmental Protection Act. You have to study about National Action Plan on Climate Change. We have to study about Rio Summit, Convention on Biological Diversity, Kyoto Protocol, UNFCCC, Montreal Protocol, then you have International Solar Alliance, etc. So you have to study about different protocols and different conventions. So these are the 7 major subtopics coming under the environment topic. We'll be discussing all subtopics in the upcoming episodes. Stay tuned. Make sure you have subscribed to Diksha Classroom YouTube channel.